Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel TechSophie. So in this video I am going to show you how to create a logo for your website and save 30 to 40 to $50 without paying anything. You can get a free logo by yourself and you don't need to purchase, but you can create whatever logo you want by yourself. It just takes 5 minutes. So let's start this process. So guys, go to the website called logomaker.thehoth.com. It's logomaker.thehoth.com. I'll give you the link in the description, so from there you can start this. So what we have to do, first we have to click on new. Just click on new and it will give you option. So click on yes. So it's going to create a new one. Click on add symbol. Go to add symbol and click on add symbol. Here you can choose all the logos which you want, and you can select categories, niche on which you are working. So I'll go with the technology. I do the digital marketing, so I'll go with the technology. So I can select anything. For example, I'll just do the test. So let me go with this. So once you select your logo, here it is. Next thing you have to do is, just if you don't like the color of this logo or anywhere else, just you can click on the image wherever you don't like the color. If you don't like the gray color, just click on it, select the color here and go to the color here and click on here. See, here it is, you got the color. If you don't like the blue color in it, inside this, click on it and you will get this. See, here it is. If you don't like the color here inside this circle, click on here and you got this. So like this you can create your own logo. This is how you can create your logo. And if you want to write your website name, host domain name, you can go to add text and here you can write your whatever your website name. For me, here I'll write TechSophie, my website name. Now here it is. So let's just do like this. Now you have some subheadings to your website that you can write again. Go to add text and here you can write your website subheading word digital marketing. Like this you can write it and you can resize this. Yes, you can do it. It's very simple. After this, guys, see, here it is, it's ready. It just took only 2 to 3 minutes and your website logo is ready. Now if you want to make some changes, if you want to make that your logo want to be something unique, all you have to do is do some, like, make it very unique by doing like this. Go to the add symbol feature, and if you want to add some more symbols to your logo, simply just check whatever is suitable for your website, whatever you want, by which you can add it. Just check, there are so many symbols here in the logo maker which you can have, and you don't need to purchase this. It's all these are very free to go and free to use, so don't need to worry about it. Let's take this. Just if you want, you can put like this, whatever you're comfortable with. See guys, and if you want, you can rotate this any way possible you want. It is up to you guys, whatever you like, you can do this in whichever way. Now here we have created this. I'll put like this. It's looking something unique. Now if you want to have, if you want your website name to look something unique, different, all you can do is just make a duplicate of it again. And now just remove this and now go to here and remove this 3. Here it is. Now go this and add here. Now all you have to do, go to here, you have to do is just make it little bit unique. So go to the font, you can change font also here in this logo maker. So I'll go with something different. This looks something different, see text Sophie, or else you can, it's up to you guys, whatever you want you can check here. There are so many options you have here. I'll go with this looks something cool. And you have here, you can also change font, you can also change the bold, italic, whatever you're familiar with, you can do that. You can also change the font if you want. Okay guys, so next thing is we want to change color of this, so you can do color changing. Simple, it's very easy to do this. Just change the color from here. If you want to change the color of it, just go here, from here you can do this. It looks cool, right? That's all you have to. Just your website logo is ready, you don't have to pay anything. Now you have your website logo, everything. Now you have to download this. So to download, you have to click option save and download. Once you click save and download, you have to give your website your email address. Just give the email address and click on save and continue. Once you do the click on save and continue, your logo will be sent to your email ID. So let me check my email ID if I have got the email ID. Okay, I got my logo here. So from here all you have to do is just click the attachment and download the attachment which was given to you by logo maker team, and then open this attachment. By the way guys, they send this attachment in a zip file, so all you have to do is just open your zip file and convert the zip file so that you can open this and you can work on this. Here it is guys, see, here it is. And the best thing about this logo maker is they send you all formats: PNG, JPG, Microsoft format, and EPS format, and text document. So you can always use any format you want, but I would suggest to use PNG format because this would give you exact and good quality image on your website. So let me just show you how the website logo looks, what we have created right now, so that you will have an idea that how the website logo looks for you. See, here it is. It's look very cool, right? So you can use this logo to your website wherever you want, on your any social media handle. If you have any pages, Facebook page, take Instagram page, you can use it. So that's it guys, this is how you can use logo maker and also create it. And one more thing, last important point is, just go to this logo maker again. If you want to make some changes in the future, copy from clipboard. Whenever you open this, you will have this clipboard and you will have this link. From there you can edit your logo, previous logo which you have now created. You can edit it and re-edit it and work on it, and also you can update it whenever you want. So this is how it is. I'll give you the link in the description. From there you can also use this and save your $30 to $50 without any premium logos, and create your own logo for your website. Okay guys, that's all for now. If you like the video, just please share it and do subscribe to my channel for more videos like this in the future, and also hit the bell icon. Okay guys, bye.